What up, ladies and gentlemen? We are out here working on our Pharaoh's Row subdivision in New Kemet, and I just want to show you some of the things that happen during construction. Our delivery guy, who's delivering our sheathing for the roof, as you can see, he got stuck in the soft dirt. And luckily for him, our neighbor, Judge John here, got a big heavy duty John Deere and it's just volunteered to pull him out, go get his tractor, and just a great thing to see people working together, no conflict, and supporting each other. So this is Toomsboro, Georgia, us helping us and building New Kemet retreat and residential community. All right, see y'all soon.